Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. And today we're going to check out the Tapo solar-powered security camera kit.
And TP-Link Tapo sent us this for the review.
All right.
So this thing is pretty cool.
All right. So this is a solar-powered camera. Do I get to open it?
I'll take the camera out.
All right. Here's the camera. Ooh.
So there's the camera and the little thing for mounting it. And
oh, I get to peel off the plastic.
Okay, it's got spotlights in it.
Well, that's cool.
So yeah, so there's spotlights, a nice camera. Yeah, so it does color night vision because it has the spotlights. And it also detects people.
All right.
So it has they call it AI detection, I guess, AI person detection. All right, so that's the camera. And it wants to roll, look. There we go.
All right.
Okay, some mounting stuff.
Some instructions. Another template.
Okay.
Oh, GPL license notes.
Okay.
Quick start guide.
And a quick start guide.
That must be the solar panel. It's pretty light. It's kind of small.
Well, I think the camera probably can handle it. It has a battery that they claim will last up to 120 days. So
180 days, it said.
180.
180
days. I'm not sure I believe 180 days.
Well,
but with this hooked up, if you have sunlight, then you should be able to keep the camera powered all the time and never worry about it. So this is nice. So you're right. It is kind of lightweight. And it's got a USB-C connector on it, which is really handy. And obviously that's where the mount goes.
And it's got kind of this unique setup where if it works and you have sunlight, you can mount the camera and the solar panel right on this same thing.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. That's neat. So this is for the solar panel probably because I'm looking at this, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And then this here.
So we have a lot of solar panels that are in a different spot from the camera.
Yeah. And if you look at this, you see it's got screws in this thing here. And you can take it off. That's how you mount it elsewhere, I guess. Take this off and you can mount that wherever you want. And then you can mount the solar panel where the sun shines, right?
Don't put it where the sun don't shine.
No. Oh, a zip tie. I don't know why we need the zip tie, but maybe it's to hook up the cables. You've got the screws to mount the thing with.
Kind of nice they give you a zip tie.
Another USB-C. Must be for charging the camera. Oh, you know what this is for? If we take this off, you want to be able to put this on so that it looks nice.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's pretty smart on their part, right?
Yeah, this is a really clever design.
Very clever design. And let's see, what are we missing on this whole thing? I think we got everything there. So we got the camera, the solar panel, the mount, the cable. Oh, no, this is good. Look, nice long cable for hooking this up. So that we're not putting it on the same unit here, then you have a lot of cable to put the solar panel elsewhere. That's really great that they give you that.
You can use an SD card, right, for storage?
So let's see. This is for an SD card. You're right. This is an SD card.
Store up to 512 gigabytes.
That's a big card. And then over here, there's the USB-C connector. So
I think you're right, though. I think there's a long plug and a short plug.
But yeah, you're right. I think it just hooks up here when you're on the mount. And then when you're a long way away, you can use this. Before you mount the camera, add it to the Tapo app. Just select Add, then Outdoor Camera, and finally Tapo C402. Then just follow the instructions. We named ours Side Yard, and it shows on the main Tapo app screen. Select it to see the camera output. You'll see a screen similar to this. Here you can take a snapshot or a video, plus listen to what's happening or activate the mic. Selecting the icon in the upper right brings up settings. If you installed an SD card, you can format it and see how much space remains. Selecting detection lets you watch for people, pets, or cars. We always leave off motion, so we reduce the number of notifications. Under Video and Display, you can adjust the video quality and night vision settings. Be sure to set video quality. We have a strong Wi-Fi network, so we set to the max. For night mode, you have two options, infrared and color mode. For infrared, you can adjust the viewing distance. And when you select color mode, when viewing live, the spotlights will come on at night. And of course, when motion is detected. Select playback and download to view and download captured video. Playback shows a timeline of events. It also shows a list of clips, including what triggered the event. To bring the clip onto your camera roll, there are 2 steps. First, click the dots to the right of the clip, then download. This only downloads it to the camera memory. Then select the download tab at the top and select what you want to download to your phone. Seems like an overly complex process, but it works. As for the quality of the images, images show as 3 megapixels, 2304 by 1296, and if a video, 2304 by 1296 at around 15 frames per second. We recorded 3 person detections. In the daytime, I was detected earliest, and the video was clear, when at night, either with infrared or color mode, detection was later. The infrared mode looks clearer, while the color mode renders the colors fairly well. And while you can make out the word on my shirt, the video does appear grainier than infrared. We like the camera and the convenience of the integrated solar panel and camera mount. Plus, the video is a pleasant surprise for a 1080p camera. Thank you for watching.